I'm back. Alright guys, we're back with another update, and in this video we're going to look at why AMC's price isn't real. We got indicators, we got charts, we got facts, and we got data. All multiple viewpoints, all validations on why AMC's price isn't real. And we're not just going over the glitches, we're going to deep dive into each and everything using indicators and multiple viewpoints and only the facts and data, showing you that this price is highly manipulated. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and hop right in the charts, the facts, and the data and see what we have going on. Alright guys, you are back with another video of Data Zero, and in this video we're going to be exploring why AMC's price isn't real. I'm also going to briefly touch on the technical analysis, give you guys price predictions, things to look for, but this main video is focusing on all of the data showing on why AMC's price isn't real. So first of all, we have all of these glitches. So we have glitches with the market cap, we have glitches with the price itself, the actual price itself being much higher. Now, if it was just the price itself or just the market cap or something like that, then I could say, hey, well, maybe this just happened, or maybe if this just happened once or twice, but this has happened ever since the run up to all-time highs. So ever since AMC has ran up to all-time highs, we have seen these glitches over and over and over and over again. There are even 13F filings showing that banks have bought and sold AMC for astronomical levels. So we already know about the manipulation that we can see. So we already know about the manipulation. We can see the short interest, the extreme amount of short interest, putting short pressure on the stock, the dark pool off exchange volume. So we see this crazy volume on off exchange dark pool volumes, which is manipulation that we can see. We can kind of track. We don't have all the data, but we can kind of see it. We can kind of track. It's not very speculative. It's in our face. It's very real. And as you guys can see, when the cost of borrow goes up, the shares that they can get to short become less and less. As you guys can see, it says 0 shares available to borrow. That happened a little bit earlier, but the most they've been able to get is 100,000. So we can see the manipulation from the short side when they do these types of short ladder attacks and try to short us down. So like when they loaded up on shorts, and you guys can see this if you watch my videos before the vote happened, the day before, they loaded up on shares to short, and then they got this huge down candle. And the day before, when we were about to break out, when we were breaking out of this uptrend, they loaded up on shares to short. And you guys can check my old videos, or if you watch my videos, you guys can see, because I always cover on how many shares they have available to short, and they load up on shorts on these key crucial parts. You can literally see, if you go to Fintel, you can watch, because it updates by the hour, and you can literally watch them use the shares and watch them dump the price, and you can watch that in real time. So this is manipulation that we see every single day, suppressing the price. So how is it that much of a leap to say that these types of glitches are not glitches at all, but this is actual data coming out and getting out to the public that they don't want getting out to the public? And how do we know that the dark pool numbers and the dark pool price for AMC isn't actually these astronomical prices that we see on these 13F filings on these banks? We have seen banks literally sell and buy AMC for astronomical prices, but they say, oh, it's a glitch, it's a glitch, it's a glitch. This has been happening for years and years and years. If you guys look at this, this was December 7th, 2021. We had a glitch on an Apple Watch. Then there was a glitch on with AMC showing the price of $1,000. This was in August 16th, 2021. So you guys can see this has been happening for quite some time. September 2nd, 2021. Another price glitch. AMC, $584. Look right here. We have another glitch. Just June 21st. Okay, you guys see? This is not just something that happens once or twice. This happens 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times a month, 4, 5, 10 times, dozens of times a year. This is more than a coincidence. There becomes a time when something happens over and over and over again. It is more than coincidence. But guys, we have even more evidence than these quote unquote glitches. And you have to remember that if it was just the market cap or if it was just the price doing this, it might be saying, hey, or if it was just AMC, it's AMC and APE, and no other stock seems to have these glitches at the frequency of AMC and APE. So we can see here from the official FINRA charts right here that AMC showing another glitch. So this is all stuff that has been going on for quite some time, and it doesn't seem to be getting anywhere near an end until we actually see the true price of AMC. But guys, we have more evidence than that. So we have the evidence of the improving earnings. So we have the earnings improving, the fundamentals improving. As you guys can see, we have the earnings growing, and if we go ahead and put on the earnings right here, we can see that we got the beat. If you guys have been following, you guys know that we got the beat on earnings, and we can see that the fundamentals have been improving. So fundamentally, just fundamentally alone, AMC's price is worth more than $4. It should be about $15 to $20 fundamentally. So that is more evidence that we have that AMC's price is being suppressed. So not only is it fundamentally undervalued, not only do we have all of these glitches, apes, we have even more evidence. So we can look at the OBV, the on balance volume, and the on balance volume shows crowd sentiment. It can show you if it's a bearish or bullish outcome that's about to happen. So normally when the OBV goes down, a stock goes down. So as you guys can see, the OBV hit a peak, and then it started going down, and then the stock hit a peak, and then the stock started trending down. As you guys can see, the OBV clearly tracks stock price very, very, very accurately. So it compares crowd sentiment, and it can show you crowd buying. It can show you crowd buying over time or crowd sentiment over time. So we can go ahead and go to AMC's OBV, and this is on the weekly chart. As you guys can see, ever since the run up to all-time highs in the run up back here, the OBV has been increasing, 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 and it is almost at all-time highs, even since the run-up to all-time highs in price. This is showing you that apes have been buying and holding, and people have been buying and holding. Institutions have been buying and holding ever since Q1 on 2021, and this is institutional ownership right here. As you guys can see, Q2, Q1 2021, you guys can see buying and holding, buying, and not much selling. They have not been selling at all. So this is institutional ownership, and this is how we can see if apes have been selling or holding, or just even everyone in general. And the OBV is showing us that people are buying and holding this thing. Now, what do you think all these people are buying and holding and waiting for, first of all? And second of all, what do you think all of this buying should do to the price? It should make the price go up. This is showing you with a clear indicator that AMC's price is wrong. AMC's price is manipulated, and this is not the true price. So apes, what I'm trying to tell you is hold on. Hold on, because the price is manipulated, it is wrong, and it is much higher than we could ever imagine. And this is the proof that we have. The OBV, so if you look at the on balance volume indicator, it can show you that the AMC's price is wrong. We also have AMC being fundamentally undervalued because of the increase in earnings. We see the earnings growth, and we have all of these glitches, which is proof over and over and over and over again. So guys, that is what I'm looking at for the proof on why AMC's price is wrong. So that is why AMC's price is wrong. I'm going to go ahead and hop in the charts and briefly do some technical analysis. But if you want to see better technical analysis, check out my other updates. And I just dropped an update for my weekly update for AMC. So let's go ahead and check out the charts and see what we're looking at. So you guys can see that we're moving into this overall uptrend, and this uptrend is holding. We do have the Bollinger Bands constricting, which means a large move is coming to the up or downside. We are above that blue medium line, so I do believe it is to the upside, and I think we are going to see a pop to about the $5.55 range here next week, and I am looking for next week to be very, very, very bullish. We had this nice breakout of this pennant shape right here, break to the upside, retest to the top of that, and the breakout of that is around the $5 range as well. So we can see that we are on that uptrend, gaining bullish momentum, and the cost of borrow is rising, which is bullish for us, putting bullish pressure on the shorts, making it much harder for them to get new short positions, get shares to borrow, and making it much more likely that we have movement to the upside for AMC. So again, I am looking for next week to approach the $5.55 range, and that is what I am looking at as far as technical analysis is concerned on AMC. And we do have these Bollinger Bands constricting, showing us that a nice price movement is coming for AMC. If we go ahead and put on the indicator for the super trend, we can go ahead and pop that on real quick and show you guys. We do have that 4-hour buy signal on the super trend, and that normally correlates with these larger movements to the upside, as you guys can see. So we do have that bullish indicator right there as well, letting me know that this move that's coming when the Bollinger Bands are getting constricted, and normally when the Bollinger Bands constrict, that means a large movement is coming, letting me know that this movement is going to be to the upside, and we should be getting a nice pop to the upside, a nice uptrend building off of this rounding base right here, this rounding bottom, and we should be heading to the upside back into this $5.50 range, even the $6 range. So guys, that is what I'm looking at for technical analysis as far as AMC. I will be dropping more updates later today with more detailed technical analysis, and I did drop one late last night, so make sure you check the out. But this is why AMC's price is not real. Again, we have multiple glitches showing us why AMC's price is not real, and if it was just the the market cap, or if it was just AMC and it wasn't AMC and APE, maybe you could overlook it. And if it wasn't happening month after month after month, day after day after day after day, I think we compiled a pretty good list on why AMC's price isn't real. Just look how many glitches on how many platforms, on how many different places, showing that the shares outstanding don't match up, that the market cap doesn't match up for AMC, for APE, or just the price on the screen from the exchanges doesn't match up. All of this data is showing us that AMC's price isn't real. And if you haven't seen this post, this is a very good one. This is from July 10th, 2021. But this is a data scraper, and this was pulling FTX data, and it could show the average price of AMC being $772. All of these things showing AMC's price is not real. And if you don't want to believe that, and you just think that's speculation, then we can go ahead and hop into the on balance volume, showing you that the on balance volume showing you AMC's price is not real, because OBV should be going down and price should be going down, but OBV has been going up, 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 but price has been going down. And we have all of the beats on earnings showing you, if you're a fundamental investor, that AMC is fundamentally undervalued. So there is multiple viewpoints on why AMC's price is not real, multiple validations on why AMC's price is not real, and I think this video makes it very clear that AMC's price is much higher than it actually is showing on exchanges at the current best bid offer. So guys, that is the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this, and as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. All right, guys, that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this. Remember, you can check me out on my Twitter and Discord for more updates, more data zero, more information. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.